welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I'm going to show you how to make cranberry sauce. I feel like cranberry sauce is such a staple in every Thanksgiving table, and people tend to back away from it, like making it from scratch, because they think it's really complicated, but it's really not. You only need like 2 ingredients to make it. It takes like 10 minutes and it's just so simple, delicious, and better than the canned cranberry sauce. I personally do not like the canned whole cranberry sauce nor the jelly. I prefer just to make it from scratch because, like I said, it's very easy, and why not? Okay, a few things. Make sure you rinse and wash your cranberries. Once you do that, discard any of the ones that are a little soft or just not good. Let me just show you the rest of the ingredients that you're gonna need so we can get started. You're gonna need some beautiful cranberries, of course, and then you're gonna need some granulated sugar, some water. You're going to need the zest and the juice of 1 orange, and then just a pinch of salt. Okay, so as you saw, not many ingredients at all. You can either make it, if you don't want to add orange to your cranberry sauce, you can just do water, but the orange will help with the bitterness from the cranberry. So I really recommend that you add it. Of course, it's optional. You can also add some cinnamon sticks, you can add cloves, you can add nutmeg, whatever flavoring you like. I just like to add oranges. I like to make it very simple. And now I'm gonna go ahead and peel about 1/4 of an orange. This is what you want. You want, you know, just like few little peels from your orange. You can also zest it, but I just prefer to use the peel and then remove it. I don't really like the zest. That's just my personal preference, but you can also zest yours. I'm gonna go ahead and juice my orange. You're gonna need about 1/2 cup of orange juice, and make sure you use freshly squeezed orange juice. It does make a difference in my opinion. My oranges were pretty small, so I ended up using 2 oranges. You're gonna need about 1/2 cup of orange juice, and always remember that I leave the written recipe linked down in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. The only thing that's left to do now is just cook our cranberry sauce so we can eat it, and I'm really excited because I've been waiting all year to eat cranberry sauce, and I'm gonna put it over everything. I have a saucepan here or medium-high heat, and I'm gonna add my sugar, water, and orange juice. Okay. So now I'm just gonna add a pinch of salt, and the reason I add salt because salt brings out the flavor, so it's gonna bring out the beautiful cranberries flavor. Okay, mix it in, and now just let this come to a boil before we add our cranberries. As you can see, it came to a boil, and now I'm gonna add my orange peel, and very gently and carefully I'm gonna add my cranberries. You just want this to come back to a boil and just wait for the cranberries to pop. So this is gonna take about 5 more minutes. Just like that, our cranberry sauce is ready. As you can see, it starts to get a little thicker, and most of my cranberries have popped. That's exactly what you want. It's looking absolutely fantastic. And remember that once this starts to cool, it will thicken up quite a lot. So it might look a little watery, but don't worry because it will thicken a lot. Okay, I turn off the heat, and I'm gonna show you guys better what kind of consistency you're looking for. As you can see, most of my cranberries have popped. The mixture is quite thick, and it will thicken up a lot more. Like I said, our cranberry sauce is ready. I'm just going to transfer it to a bowl. You can either transfer this to the same bowl you're going to be serving it in. So you can see a beautiful deep red color, and that's exactly what you're looking for. I am going to let this cool down for a little bit, and then I'm going to come back and show you how it came out, because right now it's like piping hot, so this does need to chill out and cool down and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna let it do its thing, and then, like I said, I'm gonna meet you guys back here to show you the final results. My cranberry sauce is ready, and I'm so excited to eat it. I mean, I've been eating it already, of course, but it is absolutely perfect, and it is so good. You can serve this at room temperature, you can serve it a little cold, however you like to serve yours. I like to serve mine at room temperature. So what I do is I make mine the day before Thanksgiving, and then the day of Thanksgiving I just take it out of the fridge, I let it come to room temperature, temperature and I have my cranberry sauce ready. And that's a little tip that I have for all of you. This is only half the amount that it makes because I already used the other half for another recipe. As you can see, it's nice and chunky and just absolutely delicious. You can use cranberry sauce on so many different things. Of course, it's a staple on your Thanksgiving table, but even after Thanksgiving, you can use it to make, let's say like turkey sandwiches. Put a little bit of cranberry sauce on top and it is absolutely delicious. There's so many things you can use this for, so it's not only for Thanksgiving. And honestly, I could eat this all year round, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat a spoonful because I really like it like that. Oh, that's good. So tart, but I love it. I love cranberry sauce. It's like a little bit of soury. I love anything sour, so this is like right up my alley, but it's not too soury that you can't even eat it. This recipe is the perfect combination between sour and sweet, and it's just absolutely delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the recipe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.